8 benefits of rose water. What modern research says. Rosewater has been used for thousands of years for its potential health benefits. It is made by distilling rose petals in steam. It is a popular ingredient in beauty and food products. Studies show that it may have antibacterial and relaxant properties. You can also drink rosewater. Some anecdotal evidence suggests that this can offer certain benefits, but most advantages of rosewater have to do with your skin. What are the health benefits of rosewater? The potent antioxidants in rosewater can fight skin inflammation and redness. They may also help delay the signs of aging. Rosewater is also known to promote wound healing and help treat eye infections. 1. Can fight skin inflammation. Rose petal extracts were found to exhibit anti-inflammatory activity on the skin. This could be attributed to the polyphenols, anthocyanins, and flavonoids in the extracts. Rosewater may also protect the skin from inflammation induced by UV radiation. Rosewater also contains vitamin C that further contributes to its anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. This way, rosewater may also reduce skin redness and irritation. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosewater may also aid in the treatment of acne. 2. May help delay signs of aging. Regular use of rosewater may delay wrinkles and even tighten pores. You may use it to tone your skin every morning after your bath. However, more research is needed to establish this. 3. May soothe sore throat. In traditional Indian medicine, rosewater was used to soothe a sore throat. It was used as a treatment for enlarged tonsils. This effect could be attributed to its antibacterial effects. However, more research is warranted. 4. May help treat eye infections. Rosewater may help treat conditions affecting the eyes. In studies, a herbal eye drop treatment containing rosewater as one of the primary ingredients helped cure eye infections, including conjunctivitis and dry eye syndrome. Rosewater has analgesic and antiseptic properties that may help treat ocular diseases. 5. May help heal wounds. The antibacterial and antiseptic properties of rosewater may help heal wounds. It may be used to treat burns, scars, and cuts. The wound healing effects were also observed in a rose species in the same family as that used to prepare rosewater. Inhalation aromatherapy using the rose species could reduce the pain intensity in patients with burns. 6. It may relieve stress. There is very less research here. Proponents of rosewater believe that inhaling its vapors can help boost mood and relieve stress in individuals. Some research suggests that rosewater may have antidepressant-like effects. The studies have been done on mice, though. More research is needed on human subjects to establish this fact. 7. May help treat headaches. Vapor therapy using rosewater or rose oil may help relieve headaches and migraines. Applying a compress soaked in rosewater to the head for 45 minutes may give you relief. 8. May soothe digestive issues. Some research suggests that rose essence can positively influence digestion, bile secretion, and circulation. This way, it may also help treat bloating and an upset stomach. Rosewater, the extracts, was also used in ancient medicine to treat abdominal pain and other digestive problems. Though rosewater has been used extensively in ancient medicine and in modern times, its benefits are still being discovered. More research is warranted, but you can start using it to avail some of the benefits we have discussed here. What forms is rosewater available in? Rosewater contains 10 to 50% rose oil. It is used in the beauty and food industry and is also quite often used in religious ceremonies. Apart from using rosewater, you can also enjoy the goodness of the flower species through rose oil and dried flowers. Rose oil is produced by distilling the rose flower. It is usually mass-produced by companies. It is comparatively more expensive. The dried flowers can also be used, wherein their buds and petals are dried. The petals are usually consumed along with yogurt or other foods. The goodness of rose water is also available in the form of rose hips, the seed pods of roses, and hydrosol extracts, extracted from the flower or petals, and it's a cheaper alternative to rose oil. The aqueous and ethanolic extracts are also taken from the flower and petals, but are used for research purposes. In addition to its health benefits, you can also use rose water in other ways. Does rose water have any side effects? Rose water is relatively safe. There is no research stating serious effects following rose water application or intake. However, if you are easily prone to allergies, you may want to be careful. Do a patch test and wait for 24 hours before using rose water on your skin. As far as consumption goes, you may take a little and check for any reactions. Please consult your doctor before you do so. Certain reactions rose water may cause include redness, irritation, and a stinging sensation. There is no specific information about the dosage of rose water. You may take 2 to 3 drops with every use. Conclusion: rose water is an ancient remedy whose goodness is yet to be completely explored in modern times. As far as research goes, it can promote skin health and even have certain benefits on your body. Using it usually causes no harm, so you can go ahead and try it today.